Looking for the best bike gadgets to upgrade your ride, improve safety, and make cycling more fun and convenient? In this video, we're covering some of the most useful bike accessories that can completely change your riding experience. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Top Picks Today. In today's video, we're counting down the top 25 bike gadgets you'll actually want to use, from smart safety upgrades to practical tools and everyday essentials. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 25, Hidden AirTag Bike Tracker. This Hidden AirTag Bike Tracker is actually a clever way to turn your AirTag into a hidden GPS tracking device for your bike. It installs inside a bike bell, so it looks completely normal from the outside. Nothing suspicious at all. That makes it a smart way to track your bike if it ever gets lost or stolen. At the same time, it still works as a regular bike bell with a clear and loud sound for safer riding. Number 24, MEILAN X5 Smart Tail Light. This smart rear bike light comes with 30 high-efficiency LEDs delivering up to 85 lumens of brightness, keeping you visible both day and night. What makes it stand out is the wireless remote control, letting you switch turn signals and lighting modes without taking your hands off the handlebars. It also projects ground warning lines on both sides, creating a visible safety zone around you while riding. And when you brake, it automatically switches to a brighter flashing mode to alert traffic behind you. Number 23, Rear View Camera. This rear view bike camera gives you a live feed of what's behind you, so you don't have to keep turning your head while riding. It uses a wide 145-degree viewing angle, and the image stays natural without distortion. The 4.3-inch screen is larger than most bike mirrors, making it easy to check at a glance. Installation is simple and tool-free, and it stays stable even on rough roads. Number 22, HOTO Mini Tire Pump. This mini tire pump is compact enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to inflate a road tire in under a minute. It can reach up to 150 psi, making it suitable for both road bikes and mountain or BMX tires. It also includes an auto shutoff feature that stops once the desired pressure is reached. With a built-in display showing real-time pressure, it's a small but extremely practical tool. Number 21, SIGTUNA Folding Bike Lock. This folding bike lock is made from hardened steel bars designed to give strong protection while staying compact and easy to carry. Its folding design gives you more flexibility than traditional locks, letting you secure your bike to thicker poles or multiple bikes. It's also built for outdoor use with waterproof and rust-resistant materials, and thanks to its protective coating, it won't scratch your bike frame. Number 20, LED Bike Frame Light. This LED frame light attaches directly to your bike and creates a bright underglow effect for better visibility at night. It helps drivers, pedestrians, and other cyclists notice you more easily in low light conditions. You can switch between multiple lighting modes depending on your preference. Installation is quick and it stays secure even on rough rides. Number 19, Bike LED Pedals. These LED pedals light up while you ride, creating motion-based visibility that's much easier for drivers to notice. They automatically turn on when you start pedaling and off when you stop, with smart front and rear color detection. The 360-degree lighting makes you visible from all angles, and they're USB rechargeable with a durable build for all-weather riding. Number 18, COOSPO GPS Bike Computer. This GPS bike computer features a color touchscreen that adjusts brightness automatically for clear visibility in any condition. It tracks speed, distance, and full route data using GPS and GLONASS for accurate positioning. You can also upload routes and follow navigation directly on screen. It connects to apps like Strava for tracking progress over time. Number 17, LISEN Bike Phone Holder. This bike phone holder keeps your device locked in place even on rough or fast rides. The grip secures all four corners, giving strong stability without blocking your screen. Installation takes just a few seconds with no tools needed, and the silicone design helps absorb vibration while protecting your phone. Number 16, Bike Speaker. This bike Bluetooth speaker mounts directly onto your handlebars and stays stable even on rough roads. It connects quickly via Bluetooth 5.3 and automatically reconnects to your device. You can take calls and follow voice navigation without stopping. The sound is powerful for its size, with clear audio and solid bass, and the RGB lighting adds a visual effect while riding. Number 15. Suspension seat post. This suspension seat post absorbs shocks from bumps and uneven roads, reducing pressure on your back and hips. It comes with adjustable springs so you can tune the ride based on your weight and preference. Once installed, it smooths out vibrations from city roads, gravel, and longer rides. It's a simple upgrade that makes long rides much more comfortable. Number 14. Redcomets Bicycle Light. This ultra-bright bike light delivers up to 2,400 lumens, lighting up a wide area ahead. It includes multiple lighting modes, so you can adjust brightness depending on riding conditions. It's USB rechargeable and can also work as a backup power bank in emergencies. It comes with a sturdy handlebar mount and additional mounting brackets for different setup options. Number 13. ULANZI R099 Bike Camera Mount. This super clamp mount attaches to almost any bike, giving you a stable base for cameras or other accessories. It features a 360-degree ball head, so you can easily adjust angles and lock them in place. It's made from durable aluminum alloy with protective padding, and it installs quickly without tools. Number 12. JXFUKAL Bike Bag. This bike bag has a hard shell design that keeps its shape and protects your items from water and impact. Inside, you get 9.5 liters of organized storage space for tools, phone, snacks, and more. It also features reflective detailing to improve visibility at night, and it installs easily with simple straps. Number 11. Magnetic Bottle Holder. This magnetic bottle system uses a smart locking design so you can grab your bottle quickly while riding. The bottle is easy to squeeze, simple to clean, and available in different sizes depending on your needs. The mounting system attaches securely to your frame while protecting it from scratches, and it stays locked in place even on rough roads. Number 10. HTZPLOO Bike Gloves. These cycling gloves are designed with shock-absorbing padding that helps reduce vibration and hand fatigue during longer rides. The palm features anti-slip silicone grip for better control on rough roads. They're lightweight and flexible, so your hands stay comfortable while riding. And they include easy removal loops and a sweat-wiping thumb design. Number 9. Vertical Bike Stand. This vertical bike stand holds your bike upright securely, helping you save space while keeping your setup organized. It uses lockable wheels, so you can move it easily and then lock it in place. It fits a wide range of bikes and wheel sizes, and the triangular frame keeps everything stable without tipping. Number 8. Slime Tire Sealant. This tire sealant helps protect your inner tubes by automatically sealing small punctures as they happen. It spreads inside the tire and blocks leaks, so you can keep riding without interruption. It can also be used as a preventative solution for long-term flat protection, and it works with different types of bikes for added versatility. Number 7. Finish Line Chain Cleaner. This chain cleaner quickly removes dirt, grease, and grime from your drivetrain in under a minute. It's designed to make chain maintenance fast and simple, even for beginners. Keeping your chain clean helps improve performance and reduces wear over time, and it works with almost all types of bikes. Number 6. Muc-Off Bio-Dry Bike Chain Lube. This chain lubricant penetrates deep into the chain links to provide long-lasting smooth performance. It reduces friction and makes gear shifts feel more efficient and quiet. It's designed for dry and dusty conditions where dirt builds up faster. Number 5. Bike Repair Toolkit. This multifunction bike repair kit comes with a compact ratchet system and multiple interchangeable bits for different repairs. It's built from durable alloy, making it reliable for outdoor use. The compact design makes it easy to carry on any ride, and it also includes a small portable pump for emergency situations when you need it most. Number 4. BikeHand Repair Stand. This bike repair stand is made from lightweight aluminum alloy and is designed to hold your bike securely while you work on it. It's height adjustable, so you can bring your bike into a comfortable working position. The 360-degree rotating clamp lets you access any angle easily, and it includes a magnetic tray for keeping tools and screws organized. Number 3. Rehook Chain Back Tool. This chain tool is designed to get your bike chain back on in just a few seconds without making a mess. It lets you quickly put the chain back into place and continue riding. It's extremely lightweight and attaches directly to your bike, so it's always ready when a chain slips during your ride. Number 2. Rehook Tire Glider. This tire tool makes changing tires much easier by replacing traditional levers with a smoother gliding design. It helps remove and install tight tires with less effort and no rim damage. It's compact enough to carry in your pocket or saddlebag, and it's built from strong materials that won't snap under pressure. Number 1. Allen Adaptor Bar. This adapter bar makes it possible to transport bikes that don't have a straight top tube. It creates a temporary top tube so you can mount your bike onto a rack securely. It's especially useful for step-through, BMX, and non-standard frames. The internal spring keeps tension stable during transport, and the coated hooks protect your bike frame from scratches. And that wraps up our list of 25 cool bike gadgets you'll actually want to use. Whether you're looking to improve safety, add more convenience, or just upgrade your overall riding experience, these gadgets offer a great mix of practical and fun features for every type of rider. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment to support the channel, and stay tuned to Top Picks Today for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.